Students, so the first step in balance sheet is you write the heading, very important, balance sheet as on 31/3/2018. Yes, then you know the format, write liabilities, amount rupees, assets, amount rupees. Okay, to write the liabilities, students, always remember you see your opening balance sheet. In the question, if it is given liabilities, you have to see it. So now what is there in the liabilities? Outstanding salary, outstanding rent, subscription received in advance. All these three items you have to ignore it. You will not write it now because the adjustment is already done. Yes, this outstanding of 2017 it is. Yes, outstanding salary, rent and subscription received in advance, it was of 2017. You will not write because you are doing the balance sheet of 2018. So that is capital fund. You're going to write. Please write the heading capital fund and write the amount 1,30,800 from the question itself. Yes. Always remember capital fund you have to add your surplus. Surplus from your income and expenditure account. This is the amount you have to add. Always next for capital fund you have to add your donation. Donation, see what they have told about donation in the question. Donation capitalized 50%. So donation amount was how much? Check in the question. That is 3,32,400 into 50 by 100. That will give you 16,200. And entrance fees, actually you have to add, but they have not given anything in the adjustment about entrance fees. So you are not adding here. If there is life membership fees, please add to the capital fund. So I'm repeating once again, capital fund you have to add your number 1 surplus, number 2 donation, number 3 entrance fees, number 4 life membership fees if there is anything. Yes, all these 4 items you have to add always. So you get here 2,41,080 rupees. See, when you add this. Next one is always remember subscription received in advance will always come in liabilities. Please make a note. Write somewhere subscription received in advance. Which amount you're going to write? See here, received side subscription of 2018-19 is there, no? That is your advance. Yes, the subscription of 2019, that is 4,200, that is your advance. You have to see, now this year is 2018, right, which you are doing. That is of 2019 you have received. So that will become your advance. Subscription received in advance 4,200. Please write a note. Subscription received in advance is always written in liability. See, here also there is subscription received in advance 4,000. We are not writing that because why? It is of 2017. Subscription received in advance, it is of 2017. But our balance sheet is of what? 2018. Yes. So this 2019 is advance it becomes. So that one you will write here. The next one is printing unpaid. Printing unpaid is what? It is an expenses you have to pay. Yes, it is your liability. Liability andre you have to pay in future. So this one, printing unpaid 1,000 you are going to write here. Fine? Yes, liability is done. Now we will write the assets. To write the assets, remember students, once again you will see your balance sheet. What is the first heading? Cash at, see here, what it is there? Cash at bank. First heading, right? Check the question. So same thing, but you will not write this 52,400. You will write the amount, this carried down. 60,800. Always this amount you are writing from your receipts and payments. So cash at bank I have written and I have written 60,800. Yes? Okay. Next one, what is there? Outstanding subscription. Again, it is of 2017. Ignore it. We are not taking, just like we have done here. Ignore it. Next one is investment, 5,200, right here. Investment, 5,200. Fine? Okay. Next what they are telling, sports material, 43,600. Yes? Please write now. Sports material, inner column, 43,600. Add purchase I am doing. Why? See, sports materials, again you have purchase, right? That is 57,600. So it is your purchase. Please write. Add 57,600, add these both you have to add, it will give you 1 lakh, that is 1,01,200. Less depreciation from the expenditure amount, depreciation you have to minus, that will give you this amount. Yes? Okay. Now furniture. Next one is what? See, checkout, sports material is done, investment is done. Now is furniture, 32,800. Please copy and write. Furniture, you write 32,800. See, there is purchase. Is there purchase furniture? Yes, there is 48,000. See, we have purchased here 48,000 amount, right? So we will write add purchase 48,000. Add this both. When you add, it will give you so much. 80,800 less depreciation from income and expenditure 3,280. Minus it, you will get this amount. Yes, idannu minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, I'll tell once again. Sports material, add the purchase, depreciation less ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ. Then furniture, ಇದು amount, purchase add ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದು amount add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. Less depreciation is this. Last is salary prepaid. Salary prepaid is this 2019 one. This is the amount which you have already paid. Salary prepaid agide, already paid. Salaries, expenses, you have already paid. So now it is your current asset. Current asset it is salary prepaid 2,400. Then subscription outstanding. This you have to write here. Subscription outstanding 5,600 you have to write. And interest accrued 800. Subscription outstanding andre it is the amount which you will receive in future. Interest accrued also, it is the interest which you will receive in the future. So both are your current assets. Yes. So salary prepaid, how it is the current assets? Salary prepaid andre salary you have already paid. Next year's salary now only you have paid. So it is your current asset, right? Subscription that is subscription outstanding andre it is amount which you will receive. So add this, total should come 2,46,280. Thank you.